Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabrina. I am thrilled that you're here, and you guys, I have finally put up the Sunday Week in the Life 2019 process video, and I am excited to conclude this project and share the walkthrough next. So this is Sunday, like I said, and I'm using the blues and the blacks, and it makes it come together so easy to just stick with one or two colors. And I may do this same type of formula going forward with Project Life, because sometimes it's hard for me to get, once I get the words and the photos, then I have to think about coordinating everything with the kit. But just doing one or two colors from the kit really helped narrow down my choices and helped me to really get moving with this project. Sunday was Mother's Day, so I had some great photos of my son making me breakfast and also a sweet letter that he wrote, and so I included that as the 4x6 photo and just added some stickers and then a heart and called it done. On the back is an overhead shot of my desk, and then I took a shower and we watched a movie. My husband couldn't get the time off for the day, so he was gonna meet us in the afternoon at my in-laws. So I was trying not to feel down that my husband wasn't there, but I still got time to myself at my desk, and I got to cuddle up with my kids. So that was awesome. Once we got to my in-laws, they did some gardening, but there is a funny story about how we got to the in-laws. I will get to that in a second. But they love to garden with my mother-in-law, and so I, of course, blew that photo up really big. And then for this one, I think I did at my desk a little stamp right in the middle. So these are the photos of the kids in the garden, and they were picking strawberries and they were helping water, and it was just one of their favorite things to do with my mother-in-law. So I just kept the photos very simple, added a few like one sticker and one little star, and that is about it. I think I did wind up forgetting to add in the story that was about how we got to my mother-in-law's. There was actually a highway speed chase on the freeway, so the entire highway was closed down, so we actually had to reverse off the highway on the on-ramp. The police helped us, and everybody was doing it, and so I had to go a long roundabout way to get to my in-laws. It made for a very exciting adventure, because that's not something you do every day or see. Of course, since it was Mother's Day, I blew up that big photo of my kids and I'm just going to add a chipboard. The bottom of this journaling, I put a 4x6 of some flowers that my husband got, and then the next page will be a insert of the dinner that we had with my in-laws, and also my daughter doing her alligator presentation. Very hard to think that this alligator presentation was actually from kindergarten. That just blows my mind. Feels like my daughter was just in kindergarten and it was just yesterday. Now she's in 3rd grade. So this photo of my husband walking in from work with flowers, I had to trim way down, but that's okay because I kind of liked it better off to the side of the Sunday card. And then I just jotted down a few little notes about the day, added in a heart and a little staple. And I just talked about how I was excited that he was able to be there, and we were able to all get together and have a meal and celebrate Mother's Day. And so the backside, I actually remembered to grab a photo of all of us sitting at the table together, which I always forget. There's like a buffet at the end of the table, so there's a perfect spot to set up the timer for the photo, and I always forget. But this time I remembered, and I absolutely love the photo. It turned out really good. That's on the back side of this page. I put 2 hearts for my daughter presenting to my father-in-law because, you know, them together, it was just the best to see her present. So this is the photo right here of all of us at the table. I kind of propped it up, and I just love this photo. Need to do it more often, like I said. So then the last little pocket, I had a hard time figuring out how I was going to bring this pocket together. So what I did is I'm just going to go with 2 horizontal pocket configuration. And the top is going to be some little gifts, cards, and drawings from my kids. And then the rest of the photos are kind of a evening type photos. So I'm trimming those way down, I think almost 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. And then I'll kind of make a grid on a white piece of paper. I didn't want to go back and reprint everything. I had the photos, they're from Persnickety, so I just wanted to make them work. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just trimming them all down, and then I can put them on the 4x6 card. I even included a photo with me and the cats, because when I go to lock up the cats at night, the only reason that they come in the bathroom is because they get their cookies. So, and the reason they can't be out at night is because one of them likes to run laps, like he is part of NASCAR or a race horse or something. So it's very distracting, and we can't have them doing that all night. So they get locked up and they get cat cookies, and they're perfectly content. Added a giant love this to the cards and gifts photo, and then the back is my kids and I cuddling on the couch, and then a photo of my son reading in his room. Added a chipboard and a word sticker to that photo, and that about wraps up Sunday. So I'm going to clear off my desk and add in the pages, not putting anything back in the page protectors, obviously, because I need to take some photos of the project. But I have Sunday completed. I think I just have one 6x8 photo that I ordered of my son with a watering can, and that will come later, and then I'll show that in the walkthrough video. But Sunday is done, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing all these pages come together. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching again, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.